Would you believe that the softest and most expensive shirt in the world is made not in a factory, but by these hands? Let's see how. The soul of this garment is the warmth hidden within it that we get from goose feathers. First, we collect these soft and supple feathers from the goose's body. They are still in their raw state, so their cleanliness is of the utmost importance. All these feathers are packed in a white cloth sack. These feathers are placed over the boiling water, and the lid is closed. This is the process of steaming. The intense heat of the steam penetrates the fibers of these feathers, killing germs and making them completely clean. After steaming, they are placed in a large pot and washed again in clean water to remove any remaining dirt. Now it's time to dry them. They are spread out on a basket, shaken well to squeeze out the water, and then left in the air overnight. Now we turn to the fields. To make cloth, we need pure cotton. These white flowers are picked from the plants and collected in baskets. First, the black seeds inside them are separated with the help of hands. This is a patient task. Now, let's see an ancient scene that is probably not seen today. The process of ginning cotton. The cotton is ginned with the help of a wooden bow and a string. As the string touches the cotton, it tears it apart and turns it into fine fibers. This soft cotton is now made into small rolls. Then, with the help of a spinning wheel, these rolls are pulled and made into thread. It is a marvel of the fingers that a bundle of cotton is being transformed into a strong and fine thread. These threads are then wound on small bamboo tubes. Now begins the most technical stage. Threads are passed through these bamboo tubes and set on the frame of the machine, arranging hundreds of fine threads, pulling them straight and tightening them in the wooden frame. Loom. A small mistake here can ruin the entire effort. Once the fabric is ready, the weaving begins. With the rhythm of hands and feet, the wooden machine operates, and each thread is woven together to form a cloth. This is a cloth that is not only strong but also smells of hand labor. The final step is to connect all these things. The fabric we made is cut according to the shirt pattern. But this is no ordinary shirt. Inside it, we will fill the goose feathers that we prepared at the beginning. With the help of a wooden frame, each feather is separated and stuffed between layers of fabric. This work requires precision so that the shirt feels smooth to wear. The edges are closed with the help of a sewing machine, and this is how this rare goose down t-shirt is created. This is not just a garment. It is proof that man can transform the raw materials of nature into a masterpiece with his own hands whenever he wants. Warm, soft, and unparalleled.